But my grandma decided to build that house, a second one. And that second was a pure second. Second, yes, straight over second. You know what she did? She took something there, she put it in the center. She take the rope, she just set herself here. The very tight. She moves. She knows that I'm drawing a perfect setup. And at the center, then she prepares fire there. We grew up knowing that. But she hasn't attended the one. But she knows if you can ask her, what is this? She won't say Euclidean, she will say second. It means that there was no Euclidean. There was only what? Second. And at this time now, people are saying what? Euclidean. Confusing us. I don't know where they got Euclidean. They say the Greek word. How can you learn something from Asia? This Greek word, Euclidean geometry. Now we are going to do second geometry. I don't call it Euclidean. I'll call it what? Second. And it's very simple. Very simple. You know, my learners they pass every year. I'm the one who break the record. I have a record. The serious one. You know, just imagine the teacher from 2012 up to today is getting 100% in next every year. That's why I'm setting the task from the 11 and 12. Because the rule, my school, you are no longer writing those common tasks that you are writing. Because we know the learners that are passing every day. They are passing every day. Even maths, I teach maths and science at home. No one will tell them. If one got it, they call me generator. So this is generator. When it comes to science, you get to the class, you teach you and then you forget that you apply being a doctor. We'll see. Okay, now we are starting our Euclidean geometry, but the second what? Geometry. Then you guys write second geometry. You don't do Euclidean, second geometry. And that's the second. You what? Maybe. Okay, second geometry. If you check the circle, we have a terminology. Circle. We have terminology. This is the terminology of the circle. Terminology of the circle. It means that we have to understand the circle itself. Terminology of the circle. Which means we have a circle itself. This is a circle. You know this wall which built the circle, it's called circumference. This is circumference. Then at this circle, we have the center. This is the center of the circle. It's the center of the circle. Then this is the center of the circle, which means we have a line from the center to the circumference of the circle. It's called radius. This is the radius. It's a radius. A line from the center to what? To the circumference of the circle. It's called what? Radius. Okay, it means that another line again from the center, even this one is called what? Radius. I wish if I was there during their meetings when they said this is a radius. They said one is what? Radius. But if it's two, radi. I think this one. They said one is what? Radius. But if it's two, is what? Radi. Which means if there are many, radi. If it's one, radius. You see? Like you're saying shoe if there are many shoes. Okay, we have another one which is a chord. This is a chord. This is a chord. It's called a chord. It means that in the circle we have so many radius, billions of radius, because radius. There are so many radius. And we have chord. It means that we have so many chords. Even if it's too small like this, it's still a chord. Which means we have got so many chords. Chord. Then again we have this big chord. This is a chord again. But this chord was given a special name which is called what? Diameter. What's it called? Diameter. It means that this one is called a diameter because it's passing through the center of the circle. But otherwise, it was going to be what? A chord. It means that if it passed through below the center of the radius, it's not a diameter. It's what? A chord. So far, then now we have a line. This line touches only once outside of the circle. I have A, this point. You know this point is x to y. Remember, if you look at this line, it touches only at one point. This line is a tangent. And this line, because it touches only at one point outside of the circle, it's called what? Tangent. If you look at this, it means that any line from the center to where the tangent is passing through, we know that is radius. Yeah. These two lines, where they intersect, there is a 90 degree. It means that radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Where the two lines intersect, if these two lines are perpendicular, we know that there's what? 90 degrees. Okay. I have a line, this line passing through. You just cut the circle at 2 points, which is A and what? And B. And if you look at this one, this line is a secant. It touches what? The circle at 2 points. Remember, when you grow up, we used to see these houses where there's something like this. What's the brand? We call it what? Arc. Also, there's an arc. This thing forms what? An arc. Which means we have sectors. We have radius, diameter, chords. We have got secant and what? The tangent. So far, we have the tangent. Okay, right now, it means that for us to understand this topic well, you know, we have to talk about the theorems. We have got theorems. We have got corolarities. We have got idioms in maths. But now, I'm going to do theorems with you. It's not the matter of just coming in the textbook and read as if like you're reading the Bible. The only thing which is needed is to explain. Is to explain to learners that learners have to understand without coming with the textbook. See the teacher coming with the textbook, just know that no, we are safe, but let's work together in order to get maths well, properly, and pass maths. Every book is here. It don't be like the same as maybe other teachers, but every book is here. I have so many books here. And then whatever we're doing here, please you can go to your textbooks and check. You see that I'm like a pastor. You say X over 40, whether the English is not there. Even though there's a pastor. And then, but please guys, What I'm going to do, I'm going to do the theorems with you. And please, when you talk about theorems, we have the statement, we have the reasons. And in math, you state the wrong statement, you give us the correct reason, you are wrong. And what's it correct? You give us what? The correct statement, and then the wrong reason, you get 1 mark for what? For the statement. But the reason will be what? Wrong. It means that the best thing is what? Is to know the statement. Because statement gives you what? 1 mark. Don't just guess term called theorem. What is the term called theorem? The only thing is to explain. If I explain these theorems, I'm telling you, are going to pass. It will be simple for you to get everything. I'm still saying, Euclidean geometry, simplest topic in maths. Maths is simple, like A-O. In maths, we do things while we know the answers. I'll give you second, which is the answers there. Show us other angles equals to x. What is needed just to pick the angles? Also, which means what you're going to do now, I'm going to do what? Theorems. Just write there. Theorems. Just write theorems. I won't say theorem number 1. I won't say theorem number 2. Because books are different. There is no theorem number 1. There is no theorem number 2. Because some learners after maths, what we have done, we have done theorem number 1. Which theorem number 1? Because books are different. I've got Einstein, I've got Platinum, I've got Clever. Those theorems, they're not done by one person. It means that there is no theorem number 1. We have only theorems. Right? Theorems. Yeah. Theorems. After explaining this one, I'm telling you, you are going to pass. I'll give you the statement. Amen? Don't ask me where I'm getting